Central control panel. Pneumatic hoist. .22 tank line. Rail rider. Each tank with a drain. The right pipe is DI water return station. Everything's accessible through these windows. All stainless steel, of course. All pumps are mounted outside of tank operation for longevity. All wiring shipped as is with 50-foot harness past end of the line. Scrubber pickup. Pretty cool. External heat exchanger for anodized tank. Fully automated with full solenoid bypass and DI water flush out. See, everything's numbered and wired. Anybody can hook this thing up. Airline input, end of line harness pull. Again, full central control panel. Complete DI water system. 5 to 15 gallon per minute. Automated chemical control. Dual train with automated regeneration. 150 gallon DI water storage tank. Evaporator system. Very basic, but gets the job done. Triple fire protection. Chiller storage tank. And complete closed loop waste treatment system. One of the prettier lines I've ever built. Very clean. And it was fun doing it.